Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to Venmo. So in the beginning, I will tell you that unfortunately there is no direct way to transfer your money from Cash App to Venmo. So we need to use another method, and in this video, I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So first of all, you need to transfer your money from Cash App to your bank account. And after you will have your money on your bank account, you need to deposit your money from your bank account to Venmo, guys. So how you can do this process, you need to first of all open the Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon in the top right, scroll down until you will see linked banks. Click on it and select link debit card. Then you need to enter your bank card information, the card name, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, and you need to link your card to your Cash App. So once you will link your bank to your Cash App account, then you need to withdraw money to your bank account. So to withdraw money, click the bank icon in the bottom left menu. Then click on your balance right here. You need to scroll down and select withdraw. Then you need to enter the amount you want to withdraw and select the card you just linked to your Cash App account. So once you will transfer your money from Cash App to your bank account, then you need to open the Venmo app, guys. And when you open the app, you need to go to the Me tab. Then you need to click Add Money, select a bank or debit card. You need to select the same bank account you just deposited from Cash App, guys. Then you need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer and choose the payment method, guys. Then click Add, and that's all, guys. You will transfer your money from Cash App to Venmo. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.